watch carefully because this one goes fast. A little bit of ginger, a little bit of garlic, bang. Soy sauce, I don't know, 2 tablespoons. Sesame oil, you just need about a teaspoon of this. You don't need a lot, it's just for a little bit of fragrance. Rice vinegar, you could really use any vinegar for the acidity, but this one is definitely the most Asian tasting. That one you're gonna add a little bit more, about a half a cup. About 2 tablespoons or so of tahini. This makes this nice and creamy and ultra delicious. For a little sweetness and a little flavor, I like to throw in a little bit of orange marmalade. So I'll put in about a tablespoon of that. Okay, and it's time to blend. And this might end up being a little bit thicker than I really want it to, but I'm just gonna blend all these ingredients together and I'll add a little bit of cold water at the end to make it thinner if I want. Boom, that is banging. Right on the money with that one. Nutty, creamy, a little bit sweet from the orange marmalade. You could also use orange juice if you want, or orange segments. This is what I have on hand.